Hello students, today we are covering another type of operating system, that is multi-programming operating system. So dear students, there is a question in your mind, sir, what is multi-programming operating system? So a computer running more than one program at a time is known as multi-program computer. So dear student, basically what is multi-programming? Whenever there are multiple programs at a time for execution, which is known as multi-programming. Just like suppose you are running Excel, side by side you are running Firefox. So these are the example of multi-programming. Or we can say that basically why we are using multi-programming. So dear students, if we want to utilize our CPU properly, and if we want to increase the CPU utilization, then we are using the concept of multi-programming operating system. So what happen in this concept, dear students, in this, whenever there are two or more user program in the memory and they want to execute concurrently, at that time we are taking the help of multi-programming. With the help of this multi-programming, CPU can give time to various program despite sitting idle when one program is busy with input output operation. Thing is that in case of multi-programming, whenever we have multiple program in memory, at that time the CPU will give some little bit time to these programs and these programs are executed concurrently, so that we can achieve maximum utilization of our CPU. Now these are few activities that are related to multi-programming. So what happen in multi-programming? In case of multi-programming, the operating system keeps several jobs in memory at a time. So dear students, you can see here we have multiple jobs in memory at a time. Then this set of job is a subset of jobs that kept in the job pool. So dear students, all these jobs are placed in a job pool. Here the operating system pick one job and begin to execute one of the job in the memory. So what happened basically in multi-programming, we have multiple jobs in memory. These jobs are placed in job pool and our operating system pick up any one of the job and start its execution. At that time whenever the jobs are executed, the CPU can see if some job required input output devices or some input output operation. At that time the CPU can consider another job so that it can utilize its performance. So we can say that whenever we want to utilize the CPU properly, we are taking the concept of multi-programming operating system. Now what is the advantage of this? If we want to utilize CPU, at that time we are taking the help of multi-programming. Sometime user feels that many programs are allocated CPU almost simultaneously. So what does this mean, dear students? Sometime multiple jobs are executed in the CPU, and to make their proper execution, who will help us? That is multi-programming operating system. So dear students, also there is few drawback of multi-programming operating system, and the drawbacks are, if we were taking the help of multi-programming operating system, at that time we will require CPU scheduling. And dear students, you can see here we have multiple jobs in memory, so it will require memory management. So these are two drawbacks of multi-programming operating system. So basically what is multi-programming operating system? Where we have two or more processes execute one after another or more different independent program by the same computer system. So dear students, thank you for joining our today lecture.